Motherhood, a journey marked by selfless love and boundless dedication. Yet, in the midst of nurturing their children, many mothers embark on parallel quests, a pursuit of their dreams. Today, unveil the inspiring stories of mothers who mastered the delicate art of balancing both, crafting a narrative that echoes with resilience, determination, and wavering love. In the tender embrace of motherhood, where sleepless nights and soothing lullabies intertwine, there exists a realm where dreams are not forgotten but pursued with a newfound vigor. These are stories of women who wear the dual hats of nurturer and dreamer, navigating the complexities of both worlds. Picture a mother not only tending to the needs of her children, but also cultivating her passions, pursuing her goals with a spirit that refuses to be confined. These are women who recognize that their dreams are not in competition with their roles as mothers, but rather complement it, enriching the tapestry of their lives. Their stories are not just anecdotes, they are blueprints of empowerment. These mothers have learned to dance on the tightrope of responsibilities, finding equilibrium between bedtime stories and chapters of their own aspirations. It's a delicate balancing act, and yet they demonstrate that pursuing one's dream doesn't diminish the love poured into raising a family. Let's celebrate these mothers who challenge the narrative that motherhood should be a sacrifice. Instead, they show us that it can be a catalyst for personal growth and achievement. From starting businesses to pursuing education, these women exemplified two profound truths that dreams don't have an expiration date. As we unveil these stories, let's recognize and honor to the mothers who defy stereotypes, who prove that nurturing children and pursuing dreams are not mutually exclusive. These stories are a testament to the extraordinary strength within mothers, the silent force that propels them to not only give life but to live it fully. Here's to the mothers who are both the architects of their children's dreams and the builders of their own.